Hello everybody and welcome to my 5th Excel 2010 tutorial, VBA tutorial I should say. And this tutorial is going to go through how to reference your selections. So what is a selection? Pretty straightforward, it's what you've selected on the screen. I don't know why I bothered explaining that. So it's wherever you selected, whichever cells you've got selected at the time, regardless of which sheet you're in, it's going to be those cells you've got selected. So if we go into our code, and I'll show you how to reference that. So let's create a new sub called fill selection, and then we want to reference our selection. The way you do this is just put in selection and then dot, and then your selection treats itself as a range. So if we then go selection.value equals, and then filled, and then so let's select this, press Alt F8, run this, and then everything in our selection, the same as if we'd put the range, is going to be put as filled. If we change our selection, let's do one up here, and run, then they're going to be filled. If we highlight the entire sheet, I'm a bit nervous about doing this because it's probably going to, there we go, so Excel cannot complete the task with available resources, so don't go too crazy with it. Just because you break your program, but if you've got simple selections like I had before, then it's going to be really useful. You can probably another one that's quite useful with this, if I just show you how to change the color of a cell. So let's go to selection dot interior dot color. You have to spell it in the American way, just because that's how life is. And then let's put in our color. So we can either do red, green, blue, and then put in. So let's put in 0, 0, 0. Let's put a little bit into green. So let's put 50 in green. So let's go back into our sheet and Alt F8, run this, and then you can see it's filled it in quite a dark grey. If you want to affect the font as well, because we're not going to be able to see that, so let's just put selection dot interior dot font dot color equals RGB, and we want it to be white, so 255, 255, 255, and then let's run this again. So Alt F8, run, and then we put something in wrong, and it's probably that we put the interior in when we're not supposed to, and then you'll see that it's changed the color of the font as well. So that's it for selections. We'll come on in later tutorials to more on the colours, but really what I wanted to show you is just that rather than using this workbook.sheets.range, you can put in selection, and it's just going to treat that selection as a range for you to manipulate in exactly the same way that you would normally. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.